Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to completely uninstall VirtualBox from Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type control and just open control panel. And in control panel select programs. After that select programs and features. And here to the top you'll be having the search option. Just type VIR, you'll be having the Oracle VirtualBox. Right click and just select uninstall. Once it has been uninstalled, you won't be having anything for VirtualBox, so you can just close this. And now go to this PC, local disk C, and just check in program files, program data, and program files this x86 if you're having any folder called Oracle or VirtualBox. I checked it, it was in there. So now go to this users folder and go to your username, the system username, and here you'll be having this .virtualbox. So we are having some files inside this, so you can just right click and delete it. And also under the same folder, after deleting that, if you scroll down, you are having this VirtualBox VMs. So if you open it, basically you'll be having all the data related to the operating systems in your virtual machine. So you can also like delete this particular folder also. Yes, and that's it. That's the video, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.